Okay, this is going to be a short video on how to edit audience on a Facebook ad in 2020. So here's an old test account that I have, and what you want to do is log into Business Manager and go to your Ads Manager and choose the ad account that you want to work on. Then you want to find the ad that you want to change the audience on. So this is an old test account I have. This is an old account I used a couple of years ago, and I'm just going to show you in one of the campaigns here. You see this campaign, I just happen to have 3 ad sets. I'm just going to pick this top ad set, and actually this is the ad that I ran. This product did pretty good, but you're here for editing the audience. So let's go back over and do that. So you just click on edit here, and here, of course, you have the name. You can change that. You can change your conversion event if you want, change your budget. And right down here, if you're using a lookalike or a custom audience, it'll be here. You see I'm not using any. And right down here is where you can start to change your audience for your targeting. So up here, you can change the location that you're targeting. Here, you can change the age by clicking on edit, changing the age. Here, you can click on edit and change the gender, and right here's the detailed targeting, so you can click on that and you can change any of these. So what I did here was this is what you call intersecting. So instead of doing one broad interest, I chose one broad interest. This ring just happened to be a birthstone ring for anyone born in May, so I chose people who have a birthday in May. And I broke it down to a smaller group and said people who were interested in shopping and fashion. And I also excluded Facebook page admins, because at the time what I wanted to do was I didn't want my competitors to see my ads, right? So anybody that's a page admin, they wouldn't see my ad. Facebook would not show it to them. Now, I don't do that anymore, but you do have the option to exclude groups of people. Say you work somewhere and you don't want anybody at work to see your ad. You could exclude anybody that, if they have it on their Facebook profile, the place where they work, then you can exclude them that way if you ever wanted to do that. But that's how you change let's say I want to change this to birthday in May. I want to remove that. Let's say I want to remove shopping and fashion and remove this. And let's say I just want to do people interested in, let's see if birthstone is even an interest we can target now. Birthstone, and it is. So people who are interested in birthstone, any birthstone. Look at that. That's 3,600,000 people. And when you're done, actually you can change the languages down here. I used to choose the English language. I don't even do that anymore. Once you change this, so this is all of your audience. And if you want to save the audience, you can save it here. And then you just click on publish, and that changes your audience for your Facebook ad. So there you go. I just showed you how to edit the audience on a Facebook ad. And if you have anything else you want me to show you, comment down below and I'll shoot another video for you. Good luck. This is William from the Dropshipping Report.